Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
Today we'll be taking a look at this Balenciaga model, BB0046S in color code 003. It's a violet color frame. The style of this frame is a fashion cat eye. On the temples here we have a Balenciaga writing in silver. This is the inside of the frame. Also has a Balenciaga writing on the inside of the frame on the side of the temple. And it's over here made in Italy, and this is the serial number. This is the other side of the temple. The lenses are a violet color, and in the top right lens, we have a Balenciaga writing engraved. This frame is RXable. Up here we have a Balenciaga case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.